Welcome back to my channel Educationhub.48.
Tight-fisted. Tight-fisted. Not wanting to give or spend money. Stingy or cheap. He is the most tight-fisted person we have ever met. The company's tight-fisted owner won't raise our salaries. Mouthwatering. Mouthwatering. Having a very delicious taste and appealing aroma. This cake is really mouthwatering. My mother's meals are always mouthwatering. Sugar-free. Sugar-free. Not containing sugar. I usually drink sugar-free colas. It is completely sugar-free and contains no artificial colors and flavors. Loose-fitting. Loose-fitting. Loose-fitting clothing is quite large and doesn't fit tightly. I prefer wearing loose-fitting clothes. It's advised to wear loose-fitting clothing in the heat. Absent-minded. Absent-minded. Likely to forget things, especially because you don't give attention what is happening. She is kindly absent-minded, often forgetting appointments and birthdays. One of my few faults is that I'm a little absent-minded. Well-groomed. Well-groomed. Having a clean and neat appearance or clothing. She is marrying a well-groomed, successful businessman. It is important to look professional and well-groomed. Brand new. Brand new. Completely new. I bought a brand new car. Your idea is brand new. Congratulations. Readymade. Readymade. Prepared in advance for immediate use. I always eat ready-made meals when I have much time to cook. You can use ready-made pastry if you want. Well-behaved. Well-behaved. Behaving in a polite or correct way. My children are very well-behaved. She is thoughtful, kind and well-behaved girl. Old-fashioned. Old-fashioned. Of or relating to the past. She was an old-fashioned woman from a small town. Her clothes are so plain and old-fashioned. Self-confident. Self-confident. Having or showing confidence in yourself. She has now changed into happy, self-confident woman. She was only 10, but she was very self-confident. Red-blooded. Red-blooded. Strong, healthy and have a strong emotion. He was a red-blooded bank manager. Every red-blooded teenager wants a car. Sure-footed. Sure-footed. Unlikely to stumble, slip or fall. The elephant is a sure-footed animal. If you are sure-footed, they want to follow in your footsteps. Well-known. Well-known. Known or recognized by many people. She is a well-known singer. He is well known in the fashion world. Bullheaded. Bullheaded. Stubborn, headstrong or stupid, not willing to change an opinion, plan. He is a bullheaded boss, who doesn't take advice from anyone. He is such a bullheaded man. I hate such kind of people. High-heeled. High-heeled. Having a tall heel. I can't walk in high-heeled shoes. I felt awkward in my high-heeled shoes. Self-centered. Self-centered. Limited or caring only about yourself and your own needs. You are self-centered. You are keeping people waiting for you. He is a selfish, self-centered man. Freckle-faced. Freckle-faced. Having a lot of freckles on one's face. The freckle-faced girl came towards us. He is so intelligent, freckle-faced man. Redheaded. Redheaded. With orange-brown hair. She is very beautiful red-headed woman. She was red-headed girl. Full-time. Full-time. Done for the whole of a working week. She hopes to go back to her full-time job. I'm a full-time student right now. Part-time. Part-time. Working or involving fewer hours than is considered normal or standard. She got a part-time job, working 3 days a week. My brother has a part-time job. Short-tempered. Short-tempered. Easily made angry. He is very short-tempered. He never should have become a teacher. She is short-tempered, direct and impolite woman. Brokenhearted. Brokenhearted. Filled with great sadness, especially because someone you love has left or died. She was broken-hearted when her boyfriend left her. I felt myself broken-hearted while listening to sad songs. Long-lasting. Long-lasting. Existing or continuing for a long time. Wish you a long-lasting marriage. This lipstick gives long-lasting rich color. Deep fried. Deep fried. Fried in a deep layer of oil or fat. She ordered a deep-fried chicken. I am eating deep-fried fish and chips. Sundried. Sundried. Dried by the heat of the sun. Add the sun-dried tomatoes, red chili and some garlic. The fish are first sun-dried, then grilled. Easygoing. Easygoing. Used to describe someone who is relaxed and not easily annoyed, worried or upset. He was easygoing and good-natured. My brother has easygoing character.
Thanks for watching Education Hub.48. Subscribe for more videos.